Okay, hi guys, my name's Jesse. Today I'm going to go pull the firework.
That's Jeffy over there. No, in your hand.
Oh, hi. And now I'm going to go in the car. Peace out. Hey guys, now I'm in my car. Now I can drive. And now I go in my school. And now I go pull my firework. Get pulled. Just get pulled. Okay, I'll pull it.
Beep, 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 beep,
Okay.
beep, beep, beep.
Now
1 hour later, the whole school evacuated due to this false alarm. On 9 News today, we have a school student. Hello guys, today on 9 News, we have a school student who pulled the fire alarm. This is a true story. So guys, we were at school and this kid really loves school, but he pulled the fire alarm for some reason. I don't know why he did it, but he can get arrested and the parents will have to pay $1,000 fine. Jake, Paul, if you are watching this, please be ashamed of yourself.